How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add smooth transitions to your Instagram Reels. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on a device. Sign in to your account. Now simply swipe to the left from left to the right and ensure that you are in Reels, not Stories. To achieve seamless transition, record multiple clips. Simply you have to press the record and pause. Now you can capture it again. You can move to a new location and record it again. Once you are ready, you have to select the next spot at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Edit Video at bottom left corner of the screen. And here is the preview of your video. In order to add transition, tap on the space between the clips and you can simply swipe to the right and choose any transition of your choice. After that, you can select Apply to All if you wish to apply to all the same transition to all clip. So let's tap Apply to All and now you have seamless transitions between the clip in your reel. So when you play it, you can easily find it on your reel easily. Now you can tap on the arrow at top right and post it as well on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.